Hello everyone, welcome to Botany Insider. So this particular video is a quick reminder for you all regarding the revision crash course that is ongoing on my channel for the CSIR UGC NET Life Sciences examination. So if you wish to enroll in this particular course which started off on 28th of March, you can still join in this particular course. I have provided the complete information for the same in the description box. So check it out and do not worry about the missed classes. You'll get the recording for all the classes that you have missed, and daily live sessions are conducted in order to revise each and every unit in a very structured manner. And now if you wish to know about the quality of the content provided, you can watch the various lectures that I have provided on the channel itself. These are the chunks of the recording of the live sessions that occur every single day on my channel. So you can watch those. I'll provide the link of the same in the description box as well, so that you can get the idea regarding the quality content, regarding how the classes are conducted. So you can have a much better decision for you all whether you want to have this course or not. So I just wanted to give you a quick reminder for the same. If you wish to have the same, all you have to do is you have to pay a minimal amount and get enrolled in the same. So all the best everyone, and I'll see you very soon with more informative videos, more informative content on my channel which would be helpful for your preparation for the CSIR UGC NET Life Sciences examination. All the best everyone. I'll see you soon. Bye.